Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here over at the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So we're about an hour away from today's European session. It is the 27th of May 2020, and there were some nice moves yesterday in the US session, going off the trades that the assets I was looking at yesterday in yesterday's video. So before we actually get into today's video, if you're new to my channel and want to receive my daily videos, simply hit the subscribe button now. And yeah, so subscribe to the channel and let's get into today's video. So first off, we're going to go over a couple of the trades that I was looking at yesterday and that I actually took yesterday evening. Okay, like I said yesterday, it was the Euro Kiwi, the Euro Aussie, the USD JPY, and the Aussie JPY. Euro Aussie and the Euro Kiwi were at the extremes yesterday, and the whole US European session they kind of moved down. Okay, and what kept me out of the market from just entering any of these trades was, like I said, it was at the extremes. I like to trade the reversals with a reversal signal with a divergence. Okay, this was the huge leg down yesterday, and you can see the minute we got the divergence on the 30-minute, we didn't get one on the hourly chart actually. We got one right down, two down here on the 15-minute chart, and one down here on the 30-minute chart. Okay, after this huge leg down, so this was the kind of move up. The divergence signal would have happened at the end of this. We had about 60 pips on that. Okay, that was in the early hours of the morning. I had this set up with the MACD. Okay, so that was the Euro Aussie. You can see that although we were at the extremes, it did trend down the whole European session and a lot of the US session. But what kept us out of the market was waiting for the actual entry signal, which is the divergence signal on that position. And you can see when the divergence signal happened, we get a very nice trade. Okay, that on the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute. Okay, so that was a nice trade yesterday. The next one was on the Euro Kiwi. Okay, similar story. It trended down heavily. Let's move across here, and you can see straight away that this was trending down heavily. This is before it was at the extremes. Watch yesterday's video. Trending down heavily, and right at the bottom of this move on the 30-minute chart, we get a nice signal to the upside, and you can see that it actually popped up very, very nicely, nearly 100 pips off this signal. Okay, 90 pips. Okay, and I'm liking this to continue up today, so I think it's found a bit of a bottom. Next one was the USD JPY, more or less dropped since from the moment we made the video yesterday. I posted the video, and okay, well, let's look. That is missing in the chart. Not too sure what's wrong with this. Let me see if I can put on a different profile. And okay, that is missing for some reason this chart. So I don't know what's wrong with that USD JPY, but you can see yesterday we posted the video and it actually absolutely plummeted from the video, from the time we made the video, which was a good trade on that was in the European session. Okay, Aussie JPY was another one. Again, it trended up all day. Again, I'm liking this pair to start moving down heavily. Okay, it trended up all day yesterday, and I think it was this morning we finally you got a lot of divergence signals actually on the 15-minute charts starting around here, and it actually starting to drop pretty nicely now. So I'm expecting that to continue to the downside for the rest of the week. Time will tell. And let's go into today. Okay, what can we expect today in the markets? Okay, gold is at the extremes here on the stochastic dashboard. See, Euro JPY is down the bottom on the RSA dashboard. Now the RSA dashboard, you really want it to be down into the 200s, below 250, before you can start looking at possible buy. The stochastic dashboard, it does show go down the lower ends of 200s a lot easier, but when the RSI is down in the 200 areas, that's when it's really good time to look for an entry trigger. Okay, that's what happened yesterday on the Euro Aussie, the Euro Kiwi. So we can just look at the dashboards now. One that stands out could possibly be a selling opportunity on the Euro, on the CAD Swiss franc, okay, and the Aussie Swiss franc, okay, especially the Euro. Let's have a look at the Euro and see what's going on with it, and is there any possible selling areas in this chart. Okay, possibly. You can see we've been in this like a sort of range here on the Euro from 300 pip range, 110 to 107. Okay, so we possibly get a selling opportunity around 110.11. Okay, so again, we'll just wait for a resistance, or sorry, a divergence signal to happen up there, and then we shall enter that trade. So Euro USD would be looking for a possible sell if the signal happens. Aussie Swiss franc was another one. Also the CAD Swiss franc. Let's have a look at the CAD Swiss franc and see if there's anything happening here. Okay, so you can see in the CAD Swiss franc we are on the daily time frame here. We are at a bit of a resistance, and it has been trending up. Every time it comes up here, it kind of moves down. So this could be a key area, looking for a selling opportunity. Again, we sell with a divergence, and there we're actually getting a divergence signal on the 15-minute charts. So we are. So that's interesting. Could be a possible trade there, which I will look at after this video. So, and if you're watching this video now and it's up around there, that'll be a good entry for this. Your stop loss will be above this high. Okay, put the stop loss above these highs here, or just watch the dashboard. So CAD Swiss franc is showing a nice sell trade, selling opportunity. What was this one? Last one was the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Again, I would let this maybe pop up a little bit further, and then I will look for a divergence signal to sell. Okay. Yeah, so no divergence signals happening there yet on the higher time frame. So that one will be on my watch list today. Also, the British pound CAD. What I've noticed this morning is it is kind of at the extremes on the stochastic, and on some of the extremes on the RSI dashboard. So we'll just have a look at that and see if there is a possible, again, looking at this could continue down here. But there's no real, if you were looking for some support, you could say it's bounced here a few times, up and down. Technically, a better area to be looking to buy this would be down here. Possibly you could get some nice short-term scalps. So you could, going off the stochastic dashboard, if you're using it. Personally, I would look to buy this a little further down. So I will leave that be for now. Yeah, so that's the main ones today. Euro USD sell. CAD Swiss franc actually a sell now. Aussie Swiss franc a sell. I'll wait and see with the British pound CAD. Okay, so hope this video helps. If you want to access the FaultX Pro dashboard that instantly analyzes the Forex market for us, allows us to give us the best opportunities, and also comes with the MACBot or the MACD SR indicator, which is our signal entry signal. So gives us the entry to enter the markets. Simply click the link below. Okay, it's very powerful, and especially when you're trading with the MACD divergence indicator, works immensely good. As you can see yesterday on the Euro Kiwi, it was trending down. A lot of people would think, oh, we're in the area, it's at the extremes on the dashboards. No, we don't. We have to wait for the actual signal, which happened here, and we are in the market. So that was a nice trade yesterday, both on that and the Euro Aussie, also the USD JPY. So look out for these trades today. If you've got the dashboard, uh, wait for the extremes. If you haven't, click the link below. Any questions, let me know. Will at the fxace.com.